leading man po na nag-iisang bona ng Pilipinas, Donald. I am proud to be here po kasi alam kong darating si Superstar. And she didn't want to fail you. That's why she came. Paski hindi masyadong maganda ang pakiramdam niya. Dumating siya ngayon dito. Alam ko po, naunawaan niyo siya. Ngayon po, mag-enjoy tayo kay Bona. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
May we request the team to please step forward to receive the certificate of recognition. To present the certificate of recognition, we would like to call on Ms. Tess Rances, Deputy Festival Director, and Mr. Dennis Marasigan, CCP Artistic Director and Vice President. During the celebrations, Cultural Center of the Philippines and Cinemalaya Foundation Inc. present the certificate of recognition to Nora Vilmayor, producer of Bona, closing film of Cinemalaya Bente, given this 10th day of August at the Cinema 2 Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, Mahabaga Boulevard, corner Asiana Avenue, Parañaque City. Signed, Dennis N. Marasigan, CCP Artistic Director, Chris B. Miliado, Cinemalaya Bente Festival Director, Carlos Siguion Reyna, Cinemalaya Competition and Monitoring Chairperson, Luis Gillian, Cinemalaya President, Casey Tinga, CCP President, and Antonio O. Guangco, Cinemalaya Foundation Chairman. Again, the team of Bona. Congratulations. We can now proceed to our chairs to start the film. Thank you.
Sorry, yung picture lang sana ako. Yung picture ako kayo.